We are making some Mediterranean chicken. I'm gonna have some chicken drumsticks, and I'm actually going to try cutting a couple, scoring it a little bit, because we're gonna put it on the grill. And I'm not sure if this does anything, but hoping this helps like with the cooking process and maybe even the marinade. And I'm going to put in some Greek yogurt. We'll do like a couple spoons. And this is drumsticks from Costco. I did 2 bags. Some honey. This is the one I have. The more you do, the sweeter it is. I have lemon pepper seasoning. Be pretty generous with this seasoning. Pizza sprinkle seasoning blend. It's from Trader Joe's. And was pretty generous with this too. So that's what it looks like. Take a look. Also put in some salt. So I like to always season with extra salt. Go ahead and mix everything up. Mix, 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 and get everything nicely coated. And even with the little parts that we cut open, we'll put it in there and massage away. If you feel like it needs a little bit more seasoning, just throw more in. So I'll do that. I'll put a little bit more the lemon pepper. Last time I made this, I made it with my girls, and they are the ones who put the seasonings in. So that's it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna throw this in the air fryer, or you could even grill it up, and it's going to be so delicious. It chars nicely. And they look good. Oh.